Hey guys, I don't know if you're watching the inauguration or not, but hey, we decided I'm going to take and make some sandwiches for today. And we had to make them, at least presidential. So what we're going to do is start out with some rosemary infused buns, and we're going to use my BSR Dry-Fry, which is one of my favorite griddles that I've got. We've got some, let's see, we got pepperoni, we got some hot calories, some peppered salami, some regular salami, got some prosciutto, got some roast beef, we've got pepper jack, we've got Swiss, got more vegetables, we've got some summer sausage, some good old Dukes. I busted out the old hickory to do all the cutting, so let me get the sandwich built and then we'll look at it. Alright guys, on each side we got the prosciutto, we've got the pepperoni and the hot calabrese, and then on the other side we've got the roast beef, we've got salami, the peppered salami, and then summer sausage. Now we'll do the cheese, and what we're going to do on the cheese is I'm going to put the pepper jack on this one, and then this will be the Swiss, and we'll alternate it, and then we'll go in the oven. Alright guys, we're ready to go in the oven. I'm just going to put it in there so it can toast up a little bit, get the cheese melted, and then we'll take and pull it out, we'll fold it over, and we'll make the sandwiches. Alright guys, they are out of the oven, everything's melted down good. We'll take and put those there, and then we will take and start getting them dressed. Alright, now we got the pickles and the tomatoes on. Now I'll put the lettuce on and we'll pull them off and cut them. Alright guys, got everything on there. I'll take and pull it off and we'll flip it over and then see what it looks like. Alright guys, there she is. There's our Presidential Day sandwich. Me and the wife will be enjoying. And then I'll make the other one we'll have for later if we get hungry again. But this one should fill us up. It looks really good. Hope everybody has a great day. Alright guys, just throwing this in real quick. I've got it plated up for me and the wife. We've got the little red, white, and blue coral plates. And there they are. About to go give it to her and we'll have our lunch. And like I said before, I hope everybody has a great day.